Welcome to my second ever Run Disney vlog. It is January 2026 and it is the marathon weekend here at Walt Disney World. Me and my friend are signed up for the 10K, which is going to be tomorrow morning, which is Friday. We did a little half day at the Animal Kingdom, and from there we are going to go to the Expo to pick up our race shirt and our bib. Also, I wanted to say I'm vlogging the 3 days at the park, so keep an eye out for that video. It'll be completely separate. I'm going to do one for Run Disney and one for our park days. We are at the Expo to pick up our bib and our shirt, and then we're going to go check out some of the merch. They have it conveniently labeled race bib pickup. Can't miss it. And here is the 10K section. Thankfully, there is not a very long line. So we're slow pokes, so we are going to be in Corral F, but at least we're together. And here we are in the Expo. We just stopped and did the little photo op for our 10K. Now we are going into the arena to see the official Disney merch. More photo ops. There's a big one there. Here's the new Disney shoes. I really like these ones. I still don't see a Pandora. Here's the general marathon weekend merch. Spirit jersey. Looks like it's $79.99. The arm has the different race distances going down both sides. That's the back. I like how they did that swirly, like oil slick type coloring. Here's some mugs. Here's all the 5K merch. And then here's my race, the 10K. Here's the half marathon merch. Here we have the marathon merch. Here's all the coast to coast merch. Here's all the Goofy merch. They have a nice zip up hoodie. I wish the 10K had something like that. Here's some Goofy merch. They have some nice boot cut leggings here with pockets. They have the ornaments. There's a little zip up, or here's a little half zip thing. Tank top. They do have a baseball cap and this baseball jersey. I do like these little bracelets they have here. Here's a nice lug bag. It's almost $200 though. Their stuff is really good quality though. And then here they have the bottle bag, which I'm already wearing my Figment one. Don't need another one. They have these really cute half zips. They're kind of like Lulu dupes. And they have really good fiber content. It's like 96% cotton and only 4% polyester, I believe, or something like that. Here's another lug bag, and they got some little 90s windsuit sort of thing here. Here's the shirt for the 10K. I got the men's size large because I didn't want the women's cut. And the back just has some sponsors on it. Good morning, it's 3:56 and we have our running outfits on. I'm Princess Tiana, and let me show you my friend. And here's Hannah. And here's Hannah, who is dressed as Scarlet Witch. All right, let's go to the bus. It is 4:01 and we are officially on the bus. comes to my outfit. Heading into the park. Here's a shot of me with the EPCOT ball before I get all nasty and red. Here's the first time I've ever spotted the balloon ladies. They're the last ones that cross the line when the race starts. Here we go, about to enter our corral.
Alright, well, cheer athletes, you are just 45 seconds away from the start of your race. A shout out to Heather down there. Good morning, America. 3, 2, 1, go!
The cheer athletes are going now.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right. Oh no, let's see now. Is that a thumbs up or good? We're not sure. Now we're a little confused. We can do it.
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. What? I did that too early.
All right, I think this is our wave.
2, 1, go! Doesn't mean I can.
All right, and that one is our wave. Mile 1. About 17 minutes in.
Get it, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Oh, good.
I think this is the third character that I've seen. There's Daisy Duck, Goofy. And now here's this guy, Harry the Platypus. The lines have been too long for me to stop at because I'm slower. We're about to get into EPCOT and I'm hearing some good music. They have a band here, so I'm excited for that. Coming up on mile 2. First glimpse of the EPCOT ball on the course. Here they have some Zootopia characters. About 2.3 miles in. Haven't seen any photo pass people yet. Festival of the Arts coming soon. We're in Mexico. And now we are entering Japan.
Counting dollars, we'll be counting stars.
We're in Japan. And here's mile 3. And we're leaving the park and we're going to be on the boardwalk.
Please use caution.
There's a Skyliner, obviously not running. Here's the people that are ahead of us. They're looping back around to go back into EPCOT.
No one but you. I'm so sad. I'm not going to see you.
And here we are, passing by Cake Bake. We've been running by this super long line. I have no idea what it's even for. It's the longest one. I think it's to meet Chippendale. if I had to guess. Yep.
Please, please.
All right, we're by the Swan and the Dolphin. Beautiful view. I've never even been over here before. And here we are at mile 4. Skyliner is officially running again now. It's almost 7 o'clock. Going back into EPCOT. The Imagination Pavilion. I'm approaching the 5-mile mark. My watch says I've done 5.2 miles already because of all the weaving and going around people, etc., etc. Another view of Spaceship Earth. My watch says I'm almost at the 6-mile mark, but I'm off from the official markers. I'm very close to the finish line. All right, mile 6. My watch says I'm at 6.27. There's a little flyer. There's the finish line. All right, time to get my medal.
You're welcome. Take a card.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Making my way to the bus. We are bus stop 1, going to the All-Star Resorts. I got all my stuff. I'm back at the room and I wanted to show all of the stuff that they gave us. First and foremost is the Chippendale 10K medal. It has 2026 on the back. You get this box. It has the Fritos, gummies, some toast, and the cheese sauce. I got this peanut butter strawberry honey stinger. I have not tried this flavor. Got a banana, of course. I got 2 bottles of water and a Powerade. That's gonna be it for this Run Disney vlog. We are about to head to the Magic Kingdom. Make sure you check out my vlog about the 3 days in the parks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.